What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a Kyokushin karate training day, and it's been like a week of a no Kyokushin karate training because the training got suspended due to the heavy rains and the circumstance. So we only did kickboxing last week, and so this is gonna be like the first day in like 2 weeks, but it's all right. I think today is gonna be a Kihon day, which is basic, means basic in Japanese. So there's really nothing hard that we are gonna expect in training. There's really nothing like complicated stuff, just basic movement training and some basic striking. So that's that. So let's not expect too much today. And well, I don't really got anything else to say because I just woke up, so I got, nothing going on in my mind today. So yeah, there's really nothing that, that I could like tell you guys that I have reflected on in my last training because I just really woke up, I'm still trying to wake my mind up. But if it is your first time here, my name is Leonard and I vlog my combat sport journey here on YouTube, and as of the moment, I am learning the art of Kyokushin Karate, and also we are training and kickboxing, and recently we just had our first ever full contact tournament, but we gotten our ass beat. But it's alright though, it's for the experience. If you don't make mistakes, you won't learn, you won't improve. So that's that. And if you haven't watched that full contact tournament vlog, I think I have it in my 100th day, exactly 100 of combat journey. So yeah, if you love combat sport, if you love martial art, I'd like you to be part of this journey by subscribing, liking the video, and let me know in the comments down below, why do you love combat sport? And also, we aim here to get to professional level stage, and we would like to use these vlogs as well as a reference for other people who wants to get into combat sport and they want to have like an expectation realistically on how to improve, how to get good. How long does it really take for you to become good at something so that they themselves could adjust the way that they train? And we are showing it to you as objective as possible because sometimes there's emotion in it, but we try to be more objective as possible here. But there's still people out there that's gonna say you can conceive, believe, achieve. And while it is true, you're gonna need to do the what, not just the why. And we have already, we already know ourselves that we're passionate about this thing. So what else are we gonna show to the people? The what's, of course, what to do. And I got nothing else to say. I guess I'm just gonna prepare for the day, and I'll see you on the training. Step backward, idang baray. Okay lang. Step forward, Jordan okay. Atras, Uchi. Forward again. Idang baray. Masangga, sa baba, sa suba. Forward. Forward. Up. Atras. Outside. Forward. Ay, atras.
Forward. Up. Out. No. No. Forward. Up. Out. No. Ayan, tatlo. Out. Out. Punch, dalawa. Sangga. Grass down. Kick. Yoy, putus. Forward. Up. Up. Punch. Ah. Step back. Up. Forward. Punch. Kick. Diba na yan, diba? One, two. Kick. May pangat. Dua. Up. Out. Press. Press. Kick. Forward ulit. Out. One. Yun. Ganyan ha. Dalawa. Tiga. Sinipa ka. Tiga. Okay. Forward. Ah, good. Yan. Again. Move. Awat. Yan sa kaliwa. Yan eh. Forward. Up. Sinipa ka. Ulit. Forward. Sangga dalawa. Go. Go. Isa lang ang walang paa dyan, outside ah. Again. Forward, up. Atras, out. Oh. Assist. Towards na. Alisin lang tayo muna bago sumangga. Again. Forward, up. Atras, out. Punch. Atras, sinipa ka. Yan, dapat alam mo sumangga ng sinisipa. Hindi mo lalapit eh. Sinisipa ka na, hindi malapit. Okay, forward, up. Up, saka lang out, saka lang down, sa kamay lang. Okay. Awate. Awate, turn. Sige, awate. Ready. Atras, kitang baray. Yeah. Forward, outside. Atras, upper. Diba? Pinaligtad. Tuntok dalawa. Sipa. Yun. Huli natin. Huli natin yung ilang baray, ha? Kasi ginagawa nyo, ha? Gusto ko rin pagkasunod-sunod. Okay. Ilang baray. Forward. Outside. Outside. Yung upper. Nauna yung ilang baray. Kaya mauna sipa bago diba? Okay. Bante yung kaliwa. Atras, ilang baray. Bante outside. Atras. Upper. Ayan. Sipa. Team 1, 2. Yan. Sigapan. Nakasipan na. Tayo, diba? Break. Atras. Tanggal sa paa. Bante. Yan. Atras ulit. Yan. Atake. Huh! Turn. Kaliwang sangga. Ilang baray? Yun. Bante. Oh. Atras. Yan. Hey. One. Yun. Ganun. Nakitutoy. Oh. Mula ka muna. Pa, tinadyak mo na ako. Bante ka. Ay. Doon. Balakang, sakay balikan, boxing. Umbag doon. Sipa. Okay, again. Tangga sa taas. Yan. Gusto ka. Sinabi mong palit ka. Oo, diba? Gusto mo siya ulit. Atras. Gusto mo ulit. Galing. Yan, oo. Diba? Yan eh. Dalawang suntok yung lumalapit yung yan kailangan. Paano siya nito pa? Dalawang sugod. Dalawang suntok. Yan ang banak. Yan ang pagsabi. Ito. Pat, lumapit. Kasi atras ka. Ibigay mo ulit yung traffic natin. Ay, kung magpapalit ka ng kamay, anong gagamitin mo? Inside lock. So, balik ulit. Matras. Matras. Oh. Dito matras, balik distract natin. Matras. Yan. Ito, lalapit ako yung suntok inside. Oh. Okay, pag outside, ito. Wala kasi nakapusin. Matras ka. Diba? Ngayon, kung magtatapat ka, balik ko. 1. Abante ako. Yung may isang light, ito sa sangga mo, ano gagamitin mo? Inside. Nagkabila ka na. Ay, kung isang kamay lang, yun yung isa. Outside. Ba't alam niyo yun? Alam mo? Diba? Kailangan, meron tapos dyan. Ano yan tawag? Ipon. Sabihin, yung application. Dapat tayo magpaliwan kasi natin bakit ganyan yung pinapigyan ng sangga. Kasi pag lumapit, kailangan maklas ka. Hindi yung kakabangga na kayo, papakita ko pa rin yung lalaki mo. Tama. Kailangan dapat magpaliwan ng ganyan. Ano pa? Apit tayo eh. Eh, lalapit na susuntok pa na isa. Pwede ka mag-decide dito. Apat braso. Ay, kung gusto mo, pwede rin. Mag-outside ka o diba? Pag naganti ka yung dalawang tutoy. 1, 2. Hindi ka mo mabante. Hindi mo pa rin eh. Pagsipa mo ngayon, balik ka. Hindi ka pa sumangga ka ng outside. Isipa ito. Bigil ng baray ka. Diba? ba pag sinisipa ang matras? Okay na. Yan, sa kamay pa rin, di ba? Oo. Kakanti ka ngayon. Ano yung ginawa mong nagte? Una kasi sinangga mo, downward eh. Kasi sumipa ka. Bante. Uy, sipa. O, yung sutok na malayo galing. Kasi mabante. Pag umipa ka na ganyan, ito na nagagaling sutok. Hindi na ito, ha? Ayun, pag sumipa na. Eh, pag hindi ka sumabante, unahin natin sa kamay. Sipa yun, tinaliwanag ko na. O, pa. Kamay na yun. Sige, sangga mo na, sutok. Iwan. Ito mabante. Yan, mabante ako. Ito pa rin. At ba ito? Oo. May hindi pa nga siya, oh. Diba? Kaganti ka ngayon. Ito pa dalawa. Yan. Mabante, oh. Ano yung ano? Oh, ilang baray. Wala. Hindi ba siya mukha? Sige yan, atras yan. Ulitin natin. Liwanag. Kaliwa naman. Hindi ko sa mukha. Hindi mo mabante. Oo. Yan. Lalapit ito. Para sa muntok. Kung ayaw mag-outside, pagpalitan, pwede yan, inside. Ay isang kamay yung pwede sabihin na natin, parang nga sa'yo, palitan. Wow. Diba? Pwede siya papako. Diba? Papako eh. Terus ulit. Yun. Isang paa, diba? Itong dalawa. Now, tadyak. Pwede tadyak dito. Pwede kasi iyan. Mama. Kasi yung training. Nain pa. Atras gilang maray. Ipa ka muna eh. Diba? Masih ngayon, outside. Go! Yan. Atras kayo, naper. Go! Tadyak, sabay suntok. 1, 2. Liwanag. Itin. Sabay naman. Up muna. Go. Atras. Yan. Go. Diba? Sige na atras. Matras ka na eh. Tutok mo na. Yan. Oh. Ilang baray? Saka sa mga kanina. Diba dito? Oh, yan. Atras na yun. Yun. Sabay sipa. Matandaan yun. Saan yung kamay? At yung sangga. Pilitin natin yun. Pag naintindihan. Up! Up! Yan. Gati. Oh. Sangga. Yan. Okay? Ore. Yeah. Okay. 1. Slide up. 1. Kick up. So. Kick up. 1. Okay. Here. Isa. Kapit. Punch. Dalawa. Kapit. Punch. Double. Kaya. Aroy. Harap. Punch. Dalawa. Kick. Punch. Double. Ikot ha. Balik. Ikot. Punch. Balik. Kick. Kick. Punch. Ayan. Yeah. Kick. Kick. Punch. Turn. Kick. Kick. Punch. Ikot. Kick. Kick. Punch. Ikot. Kick. Kick. Punch. Ikot agad.
Hey guys, training is done for the day, and well, it's pretty good so far. It's been a week since we did a Kyokushin training, and it's starting again today, Tuesday. Well, if I'm gonna compare this training to other training that I had so far with Kyokushin Karate, I think I got a little bit better when it comes to like transitioning from kickboxing and then Kyokushin Karate. It's pretty much like like I am trying to do this. I'm trying to like combine it, but as of the moment it's pretty hard. So I'm like trying to separate those two as of the moment. And it's also pretty hard because when I was, doing my first and second day in kickboxing, I was like doing a karate movements while doing some kickboxing, and I'm struggling. It got me confused. And I thought if I'm going to do karate again, it felt like I am going to get this type of confusion as well when it comes to my movements, but I think that didn't happen today. I still got the moves, I still got the Kyokushin Karate fashion type of movements, and I think I got a little bit better when it comes to my kicks. When I used to clip my kicks and like flick it, there's like a certain delay, but now it seems like I was able to like throw it with a little more ease and more loose. So I think we're getting better at it. Plus, we're starting to like we're getting to the level where we are not having a hard time doing two style at the same time. Well, kickboxing, I guess Dutch style, and Kyokushin Karate has a lot of similarities, but what's going to make you struggle there is that in Kyokushin, you're focused more on like stance getting harder. When it comes to kickboxing, you're gonna have to become nimble in your feet, all bouncy. They're not gonna let you do that in Kyokushin Karate, because in Kyokushin Karate your focus is you standing your ground, being firm. And well, it has some things where there's certain time where you have to stand your ground during like kickboxing stance, but not too much. And also what's gonna be hard is you throwing a punch, because in Kyokushin you're used to like throwing the body shots, specifically punches, so you're gonna have to like do the twisting in order for you to like, throw. Well, in boxing, you're gonna have to like flick it like that. So I guess that's also one of the, starting, when we started, it got us confused and struggle trying to change it. And now we are getting the hang of it. It's not that hard to change the way that we punch. I don't know if it's going to be a problem in the future, but for now I think it's all good. Anyway, if you've reached on this part of the video, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and let me know in the comments down below what do you think of today's training session. And well, I got nothing else to say. I have to rest and prepare for tomorrow, which is going to be a kickboxing training. But until then, I'm going to have to peace out. See you tomorrow.